to uninstall a program on MacBook. So let's get started with the tutorial. Let me just tell you, I use App Cleaner to remove the applications in my MacBook. So all you have to do is open any web browser, then search for the App Cleaner app. This is the most reliable and easiest way to delete your applications. Then simply tap on the download option available there and download it to your device. Now, once you have downloaded the App Cleaner on your device, look at the app you want to remove. Simply tap on the Command and spacebar together and open the App Cleaner. Keep the App Cleaner ready. Then search for the app you want to delete. So let me just type down Roblox. Then drag and drop the Roblox there. And confirm the remove by tapping on the remove button available there. And remove this program. Now you can simply go to the Launchpad and look for the apps you want to delete, and all you have to do is follow the same process. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.